Starting a business in 2026 is the most easiest thing ever. You know why? Because there's a literal flood of ideas everywhere. Whatever video you see or a guru you speak to, they will tell you to either start a dropshipping agency, AI startup start kar lo, or either print on demand, या फिर बोलेंगे performance marketing ही सीख लो. But the problem with these ideas is that it is available everywhere. The visibility is high and that's why the competition is going to be soaring high. तुम पैसे तो बना लोगे इसमें, but it will not give you soaring success. Why? Because everyone is doing this. And जो चीज हर कोई कर रहा है उससे extraordinary results नहीं मिलते. पैसे वहां बनते हैं जहां पे लोगों की नजर नहीं है. That's where the real opportunity exists, where people are not looking. You don't need to identify the next viral product or the next trend or these fancy jobs that everyone else is telling you to do. You need to identify the real gap in the market. And that's where I come in. I am going to tell you 5 gold mines, 5 gaps, real gaps that exist in the industry right now, so you can start a successful business in either of those domains. Let's go. Also, this is not a get rich quick scheme या कोई viral money making trend नहीं है. If you are looking for something जो तुम आज कर लो and परसों तुम्हारे पास हजारों में पैसे आ जाएंगे, please stop this video right now. This video is not for you. This is for real builders, people who are ready to see those opportunities and try to build something real constructive out of these. The first gold mine or the first gap is aspirational Bharat. India का next growth wave metro cities में नहीं आएगा. It's going to come in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. वहाँ पे लोगों की income बढ़ रही है, exposure बढ़ रहा है. They are waiting for better products, better avenues, aspirational products. But you know what the problem is? हम जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं मेट्रो सिटीज़ के लिए, या तो वो उनके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं या तो दे आर हाईली इररेलेवेंट. एंड दैट्स वेयर योर रियल गैप इज. यू नीड टू कम अप विथ हाई क्वालिटी एस्पिरेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स जो एक टियर 2 में कोई बैठा है उसको देख कर लगेगा कि यार ये मुझे चाहिए. बी इट अ बॉडी वॉश, बी इट अ परफ्यूम, बी इट अ बॉडी बाथ सोप. It could be anything, but it needs to give them a feeling of luxury, but at the same time your pricing should be affordable. You can pick any domain you want. You need to do your research in terms of that कि कौन सा domain की demand वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा high है, but your positioning needs to be this. You can take inspiration from Mama Earth. Mama Earth ने exactly यही करने की कोशिश करी है. They are tapping into tier 2, tier 3, even tier 4 cities, coming up with sachets, smaller packages, smaller packing of their existing products so that they can afford it and they feel good about it. So generating a feel good factor along with affordability is the key if you want to succeed in tier 2 and tier 3 markets, and you need to do this quick because this growth wave is real. Moving on, the second industry is health. Yes, हेल्थ इन इंडिया राइट नाउ इज गेटिंग एक्सप्लोर्ड. बहुत ही अर्ली स्टेज पे है. अभी ये रियलाइज हो रहा है लोगों को कि हमारी हेल्थ इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली आफ्टर कोविड. जिम मेंबरशिप्स बढ़ रही है, पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू टेक सप्लीमेंट्स, पीपल आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स हेल्दी फूड, बट यू नो what is lacking? Trust. They still don't know if the food they are consuming, the supplements they are taking, the protein powders they are taking, if they are clean enough, healthy enough, and good for their body. The trust is still lacking. You need to come up with a brand that is clean, simple, honest, and effective. इतनी clarity होनी चाहिए कि products कैसे बन रहे हैं, be it a beverage, a supplement, a product, a diet plan, a personalized session for the nutrition of that person. It could be anything in that industry, but all you need to take care of that you are enabling trust with that person. अभी जो minimalist ने किया है in the beauty industry, you need to do that in the health industry. ये अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अर्ली स्टेज पर है, एंड इन द कमिंग 3 to 4 years all the products that will be clean, effective and transparent in terms of their labels and communication to their customers will highly succeed. Moving on, the third gold mine is regional content. Like I said, growth wave India के tier 2 और tier 3 cities में आ रही है, and that means they are ready to explore content, educational, financial, career guidance, personal counseling, etc. in their regional languages. They must not be super comfortable in English or Hindi, but उसका ये मतलब नहीं है that they are not ready to learn, and that's why your gap exists. Now, इतना easy हो गया that you can use AI to do it. All you need to do is create content, plan a distribution strategy and reach those people who are waiting to learn in their regional languages. India is a vast country and this opportunity can be massive. Moving on to the fourth gold mine, that is starting a D2C brand but with real positioning. Now hear me out for this. If you start just another D2C brand that has the same product, same label, same supplier, same product quality, in fact कुछ products की तो ads भी same होती है. How shocking is that? And then these founders come and ask us, why is my brand not able to scale? Well, because your product is replaceable. You don't have to do that. We have enough brands for all the problems that exist right now. फ्यूचर का फ्यूचर में देखेंगे. Even if you are entering a category which is highly cluttered, you need to differentiate with your positioning. You need to make your brand aspirational to people. Understand तुम्हारा target audience क्या है और उसकी innate emotional need क्या है. उस emotional need को fulfill करने के लिए तुम्हारा brand as a solution work करना चाहिए. That is exactly when your D2C brand will rise above the clutter that exists in the market today. Let's take an example of IndieWide. Or even better, let's take an example of Kusha Kapila's Underneath. क्या अलग किया उसने? कुछ भी नहीं. Her products are the most generic, high quality but still generic products available in the market. She differentiated herself with her positioning, core positioning of understanding women from within, and that's why women felt so relatable to Kusha that right now her brand is doing wonders. That you need to identify. You need to bring up your own positioning and create a product, create your brand around that. Moving on to the next and the most important gold mine of this video is loneliness economy. Now hear me out, इस चीज़ को अच्छे से समझना. What I mean by this is look around you. अपने आसपास देखो और ये समझने की कोशिश करो कितने लोग एक्चुअल में अंदर से लोनली हैं, डिप्रेस्ड है. उनके साथ एक्चुअली बात करने के लिए कोई ज़्यादा लोग हैं नहीं और डर के मारे या फिर हेजिटेशन के लिए वो एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर पाते. और ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता जहाँ पे लोग दूसरे लोगों से मिल सके, एक प्लेटोनिक रिलेशनशिप बना सके, फ्रेंडलीनेस क्रिएट कर सके, अक्वेंटेंसेस बना सके. ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट डेटिंग, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट हैविंग अ कंपेनियन टू talk about your day. That is what I mean by loneliness economy. Now, इस इमोशनल नीड को अगर हम एक बिजनेस पर्सपेक्टिव दे सके, अगर हम हर वो इंसान जो घर में अकेला रहता है इन अ मेट्रो सिटी विथ नोबडी टू टॉक टू को एक पर्पस दे सके. थिंक अबाउट मीटअप्स, niche communities build करना, hobby clubs खोलना. It could be anything. It could be pottery, it could be photography clubs, it could be videography, it could be a movie club, a book club. Niches जहाँ पे लोग अपने आप को पुट कर सके and you can create a whole business model out of it. It could be online, offline, any way that you feel fit for this community. These niche communities are going to add thousands of zeros to India's economy. So this is the best time to tap into it. Now, if any of these gold mines are really appealing to you and you feel कि हाँ यार इस चीज़ पे कुछ तो बन सकता है, कुछ तो कर सकते हैं, and if you're confused, you need someone to just discuss about it or get proper guidance, I'm available to you. The link will be in the description. You can book a one-on-one with me and we can discuss whatever you have in your mind, formalize the product and take it ahead. बिफोर गोइंग आई विल ऑल्सो से कि ये जो सारे आइडियाज़ मैंने अभी शेयर किए हैं ना, ये फ्लैशी नहीं है. दीज आर नॉट द नेक्स्ट शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हर कोई आपको बताता है. ये एक्चुअली रियल गैप्स है जो मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, बट बिकॉज ये बहुत बोरिंग है तो लोग इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर रहे. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक कि जस्ट बिकॉज दे डोंट एग्जिस्ट एनी वेयर ऑन यूट्यूब और माई कंसल्टेंट इज नॉट टेलिंग मी अबाउट देम, दे आर नॉट रियल. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू वैलिडेट अ idea, a product, an industry, please only and only use Google Trends. Easiest free method है, Google Trends को use करो, तुम अपने product को खुद ब खुद validate कर पाओगे. Again, if you want my help in the entire process, the link will be in the description.